Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by New South Wales gold and copper explorer Koonenberry Gold, ASX code KNB. I'm Matt Birney, and I'm joined now by the Executive Chairman of Koonenberry, Paul Harris. Hi, Paul.
G'day, Matt. How are you going?
I'm good. Okay, so Koonenberry Gold has been steadily building one of the more active New South Wales gold and copper exploration stories, with its Enmore gold discovery already putting runs on the board and its Lachlan Fold Belt ground giving it multiple swings at big systems. The company has now sharpened that Lachlan Fold Belt push by signing a deal to acquire the Gundagai gold and copper project that pretty much fills in all of the ground between two of its existing projects. All right, Paul, this project is notable, as I said, for the sheer number of early-stage geological goodies literally scattered all across it. Let's start with gold rock chips. I know that there's some historical gold rock chips taken off this project. What were the best of them?
Oh, yeah, there's some rippers, Matt. Let's start with 386 grams per tonne, 320 grams per tonne, 274 grams per tonne, and one more, 192 grams per tonne, and there's a plethora more all the way down to 80 grams per tonne.
Yeah, that's like coming in at something like 10 ounces to the tonne gold, so it's pretty good. But I've got to say, it's hard for me to work out if this is mainly a copper or a gold play, because when I did a bit of research, I can see some pretty stunning copper rock chips there too, right?
You're right, absolutely right, Matt. Yeah, 27% copper, 8.6% copper, and a 4.8% copper. So you're right, yeah, copper and gold.
Are there any old drill holes on this thing, or is it all surface expressions for now?
Yes, there are. There are plenty of drill holes. On the gold side, we've had 20 metres at 1.78 grams per tonne from 27 metres. We've got a 9 metre at 3.22 grams per tonne gold from 16 metres, and that was mineralised to the end of the hole. And then maybe just pull out one of the copper drill holes that we've got, 2.4 metres at 2.93% copper from 140 metres.
Yeah, good stuff. Now, one of the hallmarks of this project, as I see it, is the absolute plethora of old historical mines and workings, shafts and adits. When was this project last mined, and at what grades? Have you got any old records?
We do, actually, yeah. One of the old mines, the Snowball copper mine, which was mined around the turn of the century, that was actually being mined at 6% copper and, shafts down 84 metres deep. So we have to think there's plenty more copper there.
Yeah, they never got it all, those old timers. Now, very quickly, what did you pay for the Gundagai gold copper project?
Well, I'd like to say not much. A really good deal for Koonenberry shareholders. Around about 180 grand up front, 12 million shares to the vendors up front on deal completion, and 33 million performance rights, which are linked to share price performance at 5 cents and 7.5 cents, Matt.
Yeah, I can see you're trading at about 2-point-something cents, so if you can get the share price up there, good for you. Paul Harris from Koonenberry Gold, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears, and remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 4BC and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.